What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Cars and Coffee, Backyard RC, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, skateboard ramp bass session. We got the Landslide XTE out today. 1/8 scale monster truck. This is another custom roller slider kit build, whatever. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share the video. Sorry about the sun glare. So hopefully this video isn't too bright. I'm on 3S LiPo. Haven't jumped this truck in a while, so it might be a little rusty. Close. Wanted to backflip. Probably could have pulled it off. Only got half of the ramp, so it's messing me up a little bit with my takeoff. You can detach half of the ramp and make it twice as wide, basically. Still haven't broken apart on this truck either. I've had it close to a year now. Still got the stock plastic spur gear on it too, matter of fact. Haven't stripped that out either. Flies well. It's a stunt truck, like the Redcat Kaiju is. It's just a 4S truck instead of 6S, but it's still a stunt truck, so it can do pretty much everything the Kaiju can do. Thought that car was coming here for a second. That's just a Grubhub delivery guy, or Uber Eats, one of them. Let's see how this engine feels real quick, guys. No motor on it, just a heat sink. Motor feels fine. 110 degrees maybe. This is another Surpass hobby motor like I got in the Redcat shredder. It's 2650 kV instead of 2250 kV. So it's like 5S capable, maybe 6S depending on the gearing. So I do plan to run this truck on 5 and 6S at some point. Already got the diffs ready for that. Sorry if I'm not getting everything in view. I got the head cam on again today, guys. It's hard to get that angle right sometimes. Alright, I'm going to get one more jump and shut it down. Just wanted to let you see how the Redcat landslide handled off the ramp. Definitely a stunt truck, so you could easily pull off a backflip, double backflip if you wanted to. Before I stop, let's get one full speed rip from one end of the field to the other. 1, 2, 3. It's full throttle. This is 3S LiPo. Bring it back. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Redcat Landslide XTE 1/8 scale monster truck. Subscribe, like, and share. T-Rock out.